Hey, what's up? Welcome. My name is Martin. Here is Game Dev Garage. I'm making games more than 5 years and making game development tutorials in this channel. And at the same time, I'm sharing my devlogs and progress about my game projects currently I'm working on. So, thank you for joining me in this live stream. In this video, I am planning to merge my code base, which is a framework I made for current and future game projects, into an art project that's made by our super talented artists. And today, yeah, it's gonna be a bit challenging at the same time, much more exciting to see because I played the framework project with just dummy objects and just default 3D models, and here we will merge them to real game world project. So we'll see. Hope it goes really well. It's gonna be a little. I think it's gonna be a longer video than previous ones, and maybe you can consider this a chill coding and working session. So if you are watching this video in YouTube as a replay, so you can maybe watch it 2x or 3x speed. it mostly helps. Hey Jar, welcome. Welcome, bro. So before we start, I want to share what kind of projects I'm working on recently. So this is SpaceKraft. Oh, sorry, just let me open something. Okay, this is SpaceKraft, which is a space game I made. I start to make in 2017, 5 years ago. So I stopped this project because of some reasons, and then now I'm refocusing on this project. Hopefully I will complete this in a few months, and we are attending to Steam Next Fest in June. Hopefully after that I'm planning to release this game. So this is really unique kind of space game, so please go check links in the description and go here to download the demo and play it and test it. If you like this game, please add it to your wish list, because these wish lists helps us a lot, both motivating us and both lets the game more visible to Steam players. So it's very important to support us in that subject. In the other hand, you can subscribe the channel and like the video and share with your friends. That would be huge support, both these game projects and for us to keep going on these projects and on this channel. So the next project I want to talk about is Hellcome, which is a roguelite shooter multiplayer game, which we fight against a horde of zombies, and we collect experience points after we killed enough zombies. Then we just hit a certain point that will open a pop-up window, which is exactly this one. You can choose skills to improve and try to survive as long as possible. So you can play with your friends, or you can play as a single player in your local area. So hope you like it, and you can download demo here. You can add to your wish list here. Thank you very much for supporting this channel, guys. Okay. So what do we do in this session? Here I have a framework that I have designed before with different kind of NPCs and a player here. If you watched my previous live streams, you already should know what is this. And in this project I have dozens of scripts and many game objects, items, prefabs to let this framework run. I will merge this to art branch. Actually, not art branch, we can call this art project. So in this stream, the Visuals will be exclusive for these live stream watchers. So we didn't just release this game or show anywhere in the social media. So this is gonna be the first time if you watch until the end. So here I will open the art project. Yeah, here we go. Let it open. My computer is a bit slower than before. I think Unity becomes slower and slower with any updates. So my computer is almost dying. Maybe I can use this computer for maximum 1 or 2 years. After that, probably I need to get new parts. Okay guys, this is our project. Super secret project here. So it's gonna be top-down kind of RPG game. Probably you will love it. Exclusive for watchers, yes. Yeah, so don't be shy. Go subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notifications. Yeah. So we have many animated characters here just to see what it looks like. So here I will import the all script files and other stuff to make it work, hopefully. So here I already have scripts imported, but I made a lot of updates to the other branch, to the other project. So I will export it and re-import it here. Normally we could merge them together, but I want to keep them separate because I want to develop the framework further and independent from this project, because I want to use that framework on different kind of projects. Maybe we can make a survival game, maybe we can make an adventure game. So I don't want to be how to say, I want to be restricted to this project's requirements. Okay, so here I have the only thing I have to take care of is I have main scene here, which will include all the details. And just let me close this one. So here we have also main scene. So I think it's gonna overwrite. Yeah. The sample scene is this open scene, which includes this world. And the other one is main scene. So let's open it, see. Oh, okay, so we already made some fixes here. Yeah, we already updated some characters here. Okay, so it's good idea to duplicate this scene and rename it. So one important thing when you import some object from another project or package, Unity package, it will keep tracking of files here. So let me show you. We have a main scene.unity file and we have main scene.unity.meta file. Okay, this meta file includes some data about this object. This is, for example, this GUID is a very important thing, and it helps to Unity to track these objects across the scene. If you rename it, it knows it's the same object, no matter how you name it. Okay, so if I rename this scene name to main scene dot updated or v2, it will know it's the same object, and if I import from other project, it will overwrite it or can conflict. Okay, can conflict. So I will just duplicate it and rename it as, maybe we should main scene dot edit. Okay. So let's check this out here, the meta file. This is the meta file for new edited scene, and this is the meta file for the other one. Okay, you can see the only changing thing is GUID. So IDs are different, so these are different files. So if it overwrite main scene, we still have the edited one. Okay, so let's go to other scene. So guys, welcome. Thank you for joining me. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notifications, because I suddenly can live stream and you don't miss it. So I'm planning to release much more enjoyable and compressed devlogs for my projects. So you will get notification if you subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so here I will just select everything. Maybe not everything. We can make it narrower. So we can just select the, yeah, we can select game club. Okay, game folder. Yes. Okay. And let's hit export. Work 02. By the way, I think there's something wrong with this, because let's wait it to complete and check again. So if I hit export package, it should be including all the dependencies. Yeah, I didn't want to include plugins or other stuff. I just want to include the game class. Okay. Here we have only game folder here. Yeah, export and overwrites. Okay. So we already imported plugins into the other project. So how are you doing? Is there something new from your side? Okay, so let's import this one. What is changed? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's importing only changed and new files. This is what I was looking after. Imports. No news actually, jar. So probably we should do something together. Oops, yeah, main scene updated. So let's reload. Maybe we should just reopen the scene. If we open the scene, we got dozens of errors. Okay. 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 So I need to remove everything from this project related to codebase and re-import everything. Okay. Because yeah, I changed the structure more than just enough for importing. So we need to remove the script folder completely. And I need to re-import it. Let's import this one. Again, here. Yeah, all scripts should be imported. Actually, maybe I should make some kind of submodule system here. So I can push to script folder in a Git project and I can pull here. Yeah, removing the scripts and importing fixed the problem. Let's open the main scene we imported. Okay. This is our player. Okay, this is level 1. Maybe we should just crank up this intensity. Yeah, it's much better. Let's hit play to see if it is actually working. Yes, it is. Yep. Okay. So far so good. Okay, now I will just import our character controllers and other stuff that helps to run the logic for NPCs and other characters, then add into the other scene. But I think we have a problem because, so let's open the edited scene. So here I have this main character and yeah, these are all characters. Okay, these are all player kind of characters, but we have NPC characters, so I need to make a copy, a character copy extension for setting up these other guys. So let's check what's the details in these character setup. Yeah, character setup. Editor, character setup. Okay. Oop. Sorry. Hey guys, welcome. Hope you are doing great. This is the character setup tool, which copies components from one character to another one. So Okay, I have NPC characters here. So let's copy this one. Actually, these are already made characters, so I want them to be NPC, not player. Okay, so let's find them. For example, let's make this guy an NPC. Okay, so here we have the gang member 1. So I will remove this one, I will duplicate player, and I'll actually not player, we should duplicate NPC. Yes, put it here, come here. Okay, so here we have our NPC. I'll just drag and drop our character here. As I remember, it should be copying from this one to this one. Okay. Normally I made this extension for copying player characters. Oh, Jem, welcome, bro. Welcome, welcome. So I will just try to copy the setup here. 1, 2. Okay. Hopefully it works. Removing all joints. Okay. From target object. Okay. So what? Did it work? I don't even know. Okay, we have inventory. We have, okay, it worked. This is hip base. Okay, so let's check the other things. Ragdoll, yes, we have gang member ragdoll selected. Okay, so melee armed, yeah. So we have weapon hold points. Yeah, it's copied here. Actually moved. Range weapon aim rig is here. And weapon aim target. Okay, it looks fine. So I'll just remove the old character. So I'll move this one to here, and we may keep it here. Okay. I want to keep all the characters here. This is gonna be gang member 1. Hostile. Normally we already defined AI behavior yesterday, if you watched the last live stream. So that makes this character hostile for player. Okay. Hey. Yes, we should catch up. Absolutely, we should catch up. Okay, so I'll try to just play. Actually, we can play with the real main character of this game, okay? So here we have to link the main character as player control. Okay. All right. So this is hostile. Hostile guy should be far from us. Okay. Let's see if it works. Yes. Okay, let me test it. Test the behavior. So if I keep behind him, he doesn't know I'm there. But if I go into the field of view, so he starts to chase me. I can kill him easily. Then he goes, finds a health pack from ground or anywhere, goes a safe position and uses the health pack to regain the health. Then goes to patrol mode again. That's simple. Okay, so we achieved. So I'll do same thing for other characters. Then at the end of the day, we are gonna move all the characters to real scene, and we'll see how it looks like. Okay. So this is gang member. So I just want to duplicate this guy, put it here, and just, yeah, I will use it as a template. Okay. Okay, template. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we need 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's hide these guys. Actually, we can just keep them open. So I'll just copy the name of model. So where is the other one? Okay, I put it here. This is the second guy, and it will be here. Okay, this is gonna be generic man. Generic man. Come. Okay. All the guys in this game is super cool, isn't it? So we tried to make simple models, but our artists are super talented, so he couldn't stop himself to making super cool things. Okay. So we are having tough time to make simple things. So look at this character. Can you believe it? He's crazy. Okay, generic man. And the next one is generic woman. We can call this fantastic woman, not generic, actually. So, okay. Okay, we should rename to track which model we are working on. So, okay, generic woman. Generic, yeah, okay, so we have main character already imported. So Man of Barbaros will be here. Man of Barbaros, number 1. Okay. Check it out. Super cool. Super cool models. Man of Barbaros. So we have the next one, Man of Barbaros 2. Here. Okay. So this is where code meets with art. Okay. We have policeman. Okay. So we have rowdy. Okay. Finally. Sherbetman. This guy is a sherbet seller. What means sherbet? It means juice, fruit juice. Kind of. Some kind of. Okay. So. Let's enable them. Actually, we can go one by one. This is gang member 2. So I'm opening the tool I made before for copying the character setup. This is 1, this is 2. Copy. Thank you. Remove. Maybe I should remove later. I don't know. But I trust my extension tool. So I'll just keep going up. Okay. Copy. Remove. And same thing. Copy. Remove. I spent 1 day for this extension. I made half of this extension in live stream actually. If you want to watch it, you can check the playlist named live streams. So it helps a lot. It's insane. So copying character setup is super time consuming job. So here we save a lot of time and money, you know. Okay, we have 2 more and we're gonna be good to go. Character Rowdy. Okay, I'll remove. And the last one, Sherbetman. Sherbet. Okay, I think we are good. Just before moving on, guys, I want to shout out about current projects available on Steam, because those projects are supporting us to let us to complete these kind of projects and motivates us a lot. So let me show you the project Hellcome. We made this project in a few months with very small team, 2 guys. And this is really cool kind of zombie survival shooter game, so probably you will like it. Please go, link in the description, and check the Steam page. You can download demo here and add it to your wish lists. So here you fight against horde of zombies and you gather experience points from ground, and after certain point you get a pop-up. Then that pop-up lets you select the skill you want to upgrade, and you can build your character based on that way. So you can play same level, very different kind of builds. So we have 5 different characters already in the beginning, and you can put some effort on some skills and upgrade some skills to build, make the builds customized, and it becomes really enjoying, because sometimes I find myself to playing this game maybe several times and maybe more than 1 hour. So you should check this out. So another project is SpaceKraft, which I started 5 years ago and stopped because of some reasons. Then again I refocused on this project. Hopefully I will finish this project in a few months. So please check links in the description and download the demo and test by yourself. If you like this game, please add it to your wish list. If you don't like, if you want to share your ideas about these games, please join our Discord channels, Discord servers. Links are all in the description. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, so I want to just test these guys if everything is okay or not. So let's enable the gang member 2, which is a hostile enemy. So let's move our character here because it just kills us if we are close enough. So let's try. Play. Yes, it works. He is so serious, isn't it? So I'm also so serious, guys. Okay. Okay, it works. So let's go for the next one. Generic man. This is gonna be let's customize this one. Make him not attacking, just fleeing character. Okay. So here I will just copy the behavior from here. Okay, copy. I'll go there. By the way, I want to regenerate this graph. So because I'm so obsessed about naming. All right, so let's go. A link here. And I will just hit play. So this guy will be just patrolling around. So if I beat him, he will just flee, okay? Not a hostile one. Yeah, I beat him and he goes to safe position, which I defined before. Yes, that works. So let's try generic woman. I will just copy and paste, same thing. Open the graph, paste it here. So I made this behavior tree system by myself. Actually, I used a very simple boilerplate kind of framework. I customize it a lot and it works. Go. So I will test these characters one by one. After that, I will put them into real designed levels. Yeah, this girl is moving around. So, hey. Hello. Of course, I will not beat her, okay? So we don't beat girls. So let's go for the next one. This is gonna be tough guy. Maybe we can make this guy not hostile, but if we beat him, he starts to attack us, okay? So if you are curious about how I made these different kind of behaviors, you should watch my previous live streams. You can watch them 3x for 2x speed, because live streams are not super compressed, you know, because live itself is not very fast actually, so it may not be super enjoyable, but you can learn. Okay, let's hit play. Yeah, this is a regular guy patrolling around. Okay, if I beat him, he will fight against me. Of course, if I can run away. Yeah, he's chasing me and wants to beat me, but if I go further away enough, maybe much more than enough. So yeah, he returned to patrol. Let me show you here. Play unfoxed. or whatever. Okay, we test this guy. Okay, so the other one will be also same behavior. I want him also be regular guy, but attacks us when we beat him. Come on. All right. Hey guys, welcome. If you have any questions or any ideas, please share with me in the chat, or if you are watching in replay, in comments section. Thank you for joining me. So it is another long session of game development. This is how we build the success in our life. Okay, let's go maximized. Here it will be just same. We will just patrol. If I beat him, we will beat. He also, if he goes down below 25 in health, he will go and pick up a health package from the scene in a range, and he recovers himself in a safe position. Okay, this is also tested. Policeman. Okay, policeman can be very similar in behavior. Come on. Come on, policeman. We are inside of your brain. Okay. So policeman is here. So I'm testing them one by one, because I want to see the modules running as expected by themselves. Yeah, looks okay. I killed the police. All right. Let's check the rowdy. This is gonna be the same in behavior. Let's hit play and see. It looks okay. I will just use pistol this time. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, he's dead. So we had a problem here. Yeah, if we do something very quick, somewhere a little bug happens. Probably when we switching between yeah, switching between states. Set attack enemies. Probably the attack animations okay, but the weapon, it's weird. I tried this bug. I tried to reproduce this bug before. I couldn't, but now it happened again. This can be null, or maybe this can be null. Let me take a note about this bug quickly. Attacking NPC. Character melee armed. Copy path. I'm coming. Just a second. 71. Okay. So I accept this as we tested this guy. Okay, this is Sherbetman, which is a shopper. Not shopper, cashier. So I will make this one is not hostile and fleeing character. He will just flee to a safe position if we hit him. New graph, open graph, paste it. Okay. So we are defining the patrol points here. You can where are you? Patrol points. Okay. Oh, I think I I think there's something wrong with Gizmo drawing feature. Draw Gizmo. Let me check it out quickly. So here, let's check the timeline. So sorry. This project is not my working project. I should just go the other one. I don't know which one is. Okay, this is framework project, so I should check it here. NPC control. So it should be pointing the patrol waypoints. So here, let me check it out. It's a problem about the other project or not. Stack init position. Yeah, it works perfectly here. So there's nothing wrong with my code. Probably because of Gizmo settings. Okay. Yes, I just disabled the gizmos. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess there are numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I want to just check and see the character. Okay, let's hit play. Yeah, it just works. Yeah, I beat him and he went to safe position. Not the safest one, but it's a predefined position that I did set before. All right. I just want to change this. Okay, so we did everything on this scene, I think. Okay, let's open the other one, which includes our all the art package. Yeah, the sample scene. Yeah, the scene already includes a directional light, so I don't need to edit from the main scene. Okay, so our characters are all here. Unity is being very slow right now. All characters here. So our main character is also here. All right. I'll just move them to... Oops. Come on. Which one is? Okay, the gang member 1 is in different positions, so I'll just move them together here. Okay. So normally we can just disable them. In this project we don't have any colliders or anything to make it work, so I will add just mesh colliders here. Yeah, mesh collider, and make it... Oops, I don't have layers here. Okay, so let me check the other project for layers. Yeah, we have these layers. Okay, I'll set them up in the other project. So let's find them. So here we have defaults, transparent FX, ignore request, and player here, and layer 6 should be ground, and layer 7 should be NPC. So ground. Probably we need to change all the settings in this project. Probably lights are deriving from these layers, in my opinion. Okay, we can check them later. Just keep it up working. So here we have our main character as player and the other guys as NPC, and we have a ground layer. Okay, I cannot be sure this ground is correct. Yeah, it looks like okay. It looks good. So here I will just save this scene, and we have main character linked to game control. Okay, I will just hit play and hope to see it's running. Wow. It runs much better than I expected because we have an animation on our main camera. Okay, so I need to disable So Jem worked on this project to make some kind of cinematics. Then he made some animations on the camera. So I should disable it. Compact, volumetry, camera, long shots. Okay. So where is the animation? Okay. If I disable this one and hit play, come on. Whoa. Something weird happening. Why? Something super weird happening here. The main character is here. And these are the other characters. Players. Aha! Our characters are inside the ground. Okay. So, number one thing, if you are making a game, don't put objects inside other objects, okay? This is pro tip, guys. Don't forget. Don't put objects inside other objects. Simple. So don't be like me. Okay. Save it and hit play. Okay, so I need to change some settings in OBS, I guess. Just give me a second. Let me check it out. Hope it works. Okay, I'm back. So X, Y, Z, scale 1, yes. But not putting objects in other objects is, I think, number one. So I changed the priority. Okay, I hope it works right now. I think we did it. So the problem is there's something here prevents me to move. So I'll just see the scene view. Where's the character? Okay, our character is here. So why our character is here? Okay. Because it's already there. I'm super confused right now. I am super confused. Okay. So our character is here. The other one is just animated character, not the real one. So I think there is a hidden collider somewhere. I'll just move our character somewhere here. Okay. I just want to walk around. That's all I want to make. Hit play. It moves there. Why, bro? Why are you here? Is there something saving the scene or some kind of... Yeah, I think there is some kind of saving loading glitch we are having here. Actually, this sample scene is not loaded by game control, and this may be the problem, but it shouldn't be that much big issue. So let's hit play. If it doesn't work, I will just move the character by mouse. Yes, play. Oh, it moves there. So this is insane. I didn't see anything like this in my life. The character just moves somewhere by its own decision. What if I move it? He doesn't want to go anywhere. Oh, I can't believe it. I think there is a huge collider pushing us out. Okay. Aha. Yes, this is the huge collider. Yes. Probably. This is volumetric, but I'm not talking about volumetrics. Probably it should be a collider. I'll just disable it and hit again. No, there is a collider. Obviously there are some colliders here, but we cannot select them. So why? If some gizmos are disabled, that could be a reason for that. Selection wire, 3D gizmo. Probably we have some post-processing volumes here. Maybe I should just check the collider. Yeah, we have some colliders, main characters, fine, okay, these are just characters. This is a cube. This is not the thing we are looking after. Ground, okay, we already have ground, ray. Posts. Okay, we have colliders here. I found it. Treat post FX. This is the thing we are pushing out. So I'll just change this to maybe triggers, I don't know. Or we can just change them to some kind of ignore thing. Okay. Let's put this to ignore raycast. Ignore raycast. Okay, so I need to check project settings here to make them ignored. Ignore raycast. Ah, okay, so let me check the other project before I go further. It is all enabled. Okay, no problem. So we should disable everything for ignore raycasts. Ignore raycasts. Okay. What if we just make them trigger? This is also okay, but we still use triggers in our game, so it may they can conflict with something. So I just want to make them another layer and disable the collision between them, between other objects. So here we go. Let's hit play and see another. No, Jam, it's not your fault, bro. It's okay. Actually, Unity should be handling that kind of situations if we add a collider somewhere and use it just for you know, post processing. It should be automatically filtered or something. Yeah, we did it. This is so cool. So let me change the camera direction because we are looking the opposite side of the level we designed. So I will just change the direction. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Where is my camera control? I want my camera control. Oh, I was in game view. Let me see my camera control, which looks from that way. So we need to, actually we are using this camera. We need to rotate it. Okay, 180. It should be okay. I have really fancy camera management system right now. Probably I will be using Mechanim or the regular stuff which Unity lets us to use. Aha, it worked. But in very weird way. Probably I should be re-rotating it to 0 and putting the camera again. The camera direction and the input should be matching, but it works as opposite. Yeah, if I hit W, it goes this way. If I hit S, it goes the other way. So I should just quickly update the input control thing here to make it work. So input controls, come here. Actually not input control, it's just should be character control. Okay. Character control. There is somewhere we calculate the move vector. Here. Character mode move vector. So here we have an input vector that moves the character, but we need to rotate that vector based on camera transform. Okay, so it should be always going forward when we hit W, not the world forward, camera forward. So yes, here player. Here we have player control, which sets this vector. Okay. Here I need to get the main camera's forward vector, make it flat, and get angle between 0 with that vector, or we just need to rotate it. I don't know. Okay, so if we have a vector, let's define it in the beginning. Vector direction. Okay, it should be like this. We are ignoring the y-axis because we don't have y-axis here. So x is the x-axis, z will be the y-axis from the input. Z is forward. So we have direction here. So we need to first I need to get camera control that camera. Okay, I want to make sure if it is the correct one. Yeah, camera is our main camera, which is rendering. So this is going to be our reference. Yeah, dot camera dot transform dot forward. So I need to define a vector cam forward is this one. Oops. Okay, so I will just ignore the y-axis, and we are looking from top down. Okay, so I want to get the forward vector for this camera, but I want to make it flat. Okay, we made it. So we need to get the angle between 0 forward and the camera forward. So I will just define a quaternion cam rot equals vector 3 angle signed angle between, oops, signed angle is not the one we're looking for. Calculate the signed angle between vectors from and to in relation to axis. That should maybe work. Let's look at this. What is the just angle between? I want to get I'm looking for if I can get a rotation kind of thing, but it looks not like this. Angle, signed angle between cam forward or actually cam forward and the world forward, which means vector 3 forward, and I want to calculate on angle on y-axis. Okay, vector 3 dot up. This should give us an angle, the normal of world, the not normal forward of world between camera forward and world forward. Okay, angle. Yes, so I should rotate this direction input on y-axis. Not rotate z. Oops, I already have a function like this. Rotate z. I don't want to rotate z. Actually, I want to just, okay, I just want to rotate y-axis. So we need to have a quaternion dot equals quaternion dot angle. What is this? Quaternion. Okay, this is not what I'm looking for. Angle axis, which will create a rotation which rotates angle degrees around an axis. Yes, this is what we are looking after. We are gonna input angle and input our direction vector, and after that we should be multiplying our direction vector with this quaternion. Yes, it's really confusing. I'm also confused, but it should work. Hopefully it should work. Okay, let's try. Whoa, more than 1 hour. 1 hour and 17 minutes. Not bad. If this input thing works right now, we can just count it as we achieved our goal. Oh, it goes the opposite way. Why? It goes the opposite way. Why it happens so? I want to debug it. Let's debug it to see numbers by our eyes. But which one we are connected? This one, okay. So here I will add a point, breakpoint here. So if I hit something, yeah, it should be showing all the information. Vector 1 0, direction 0 0 0, cam forward 0. Okay, not calculate yet. So camera forward, something like this. Okay, the angle should be 180. Aha, I found it. Okay, I found it. So let me solve. So we need to rotate over y-axis, not direction itself. This is stupid. We need to rotate around y-axis. So we need to enter vector 3 dot up. Okay. I'm really bad at geometry, to be honest. Sometimes I'm finding myself randomly trying things to figure out rather than just calculate. Yeah, we did it. I hit W and goes forward and backward. I hit D, goes right and left. So let's disable the direction light coming from oops. Actually we already disabled it. Okay, so guys, let me just hang around with you in this super cool cyberpunk, hyper historic and super futuristic game settings. Okay, so let me just hide these buttons which will ruin our experience. Okay, so let's go. Yes. We did it, guys. Okay. It runs very slow on my computer because nothing is optimized here, and we loaded all the scene, huge scene, but it is okay. So what I will do is just put an NPC in the scene and just interact with him and finish this session after that. Okay, so here we have our gang member, which was a hostel, and I want to set the petrol points. By the way, we don't have now mesh baked here, so first we need to make now mesh. Where is the navigation thing? Okay, so I need to check same settings, bake. I will get this screenshot from here. So let's put them back. 0.35, 1845, 0.24. It's okay. It just okay. Let's hit bake. Yeah, we have now mesh baked. Okay, so I will just update the petrol points of this guy. By the way, I will just hide others. Characters, first street, second street. All the characters are gone. Okay. I think the reason game was slow is characters themselves, because we have many characters around and they are super detailed. Actually, we don't have any LOD system right now, so we need to optimize them. Yep, this guy is our guy. So let's find points. It's showing, but I want to remove them and re-add. Okay, here the first point we set here. Okay, this is gonna be fine. First, I want him to go there, and then add another one, and I want him to go there. Okay. Let's add another one. Let him go there. Another one, and move there. After that, another one. This is game dev, guys. It takes a lot of effort and time. It's crazy. So okay, so there are no obstacles, so he should be able to move that points. So we need to set some safe positions. Okay, I'll just disable this. Stack init position, go to safe position. There should be some safe points. Yeah, these are here, so I will just remove them. Okay, I'll just remove them, and I want to copy from the other position stack. copy. Yeah, because I don't want to adjust the y-axis for all the positions. Paste it. Yeah. Let's define some safe positions, okay? For example, here is safe in my opinion. By the way, we should always in now mesh. So we can use here as safe point. Okay. Great. So stack init position. So here is another super safe position, which will, if this guy doesn't have any health package and the health amount is below 25, he will just go to the super safe position. Okay, just let me hide this one and enable this one. So super safe position should be a different place. Okay, I count here as super safe position. But here there should be a kind of building, but I don't know why not present here. Okay, no worries, I'll just put it here. So this is super safe position. This is a safe position that this character will recover his health. So let's put a few health packages, because otherwise we cannot test this regular safe position or health recovery. Okay, where are you? Health package, come here. Health package. Yeah, I need to put a health object, not item. Items live in inventory only. So I'll put health object here. What do you think? Super cool health package I made. It is a cubic volcanic rock, which recovers your health. Okay. So let's check if this guy have something to use. Yeah, we have baseball bats in his hand. Okay, I'll just hit play. Hit play and pray. So hope it works. Hey guys, welcome. We have 9 concurrent users right now. Viewers, sorry. So thank you for joining me, guys. Just before we... Oh, there's something wrong. So I need to set something, some layer here, I think. Oh. Same thing happens. The thing about colliders for post-processing effects. Default. Default should be disabled for ignore requests. Yeah. There is something wrong with these post-effects boxes, I think. This is super weird. Let's check T collider. These are all characters and this is a cube. Where are you, cube? This is not we are looking for. This is cylinder, which is there. We have ground. Okay, we should have ground. This is ray light. Not here. Ray light. Not here. Postfix. 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 Okay. We only have collateral on postfix. So I will double check the collision rule defined here. Defaults. Ignore raycast here. Ignore raycast, we should be disabled here and here. Ah, okay. So okay, we fixed it. I think we fixed it. So let's hit play, see. Okay, so this guy is a hostile enemy following us. So I'll get very far from him and want to see if he's just patrolling points we are defined before. Yes, he's patrolling. Okay, so here let's fight against him. Oh, he will beat me very quickly. Ah, okay. So I'll just take this health package to my inventory. Since he is on low health and there is no health package around, he's going to super safe position. Okay, he's going there. Look at this. He's just fleeing, not attacking me, and just waiting here. So if I drop a health package here, he will just go take it and go to recovery point we defined before. He is recovering his health and he will come here to kill me. He's attacking and that's okay. So he returns to patrol. I think we did it, guys. I think we achieved the goal for this video. So before I wrapped up everything, I just want to shout out about my projects and my team, the team's projects. So check links in the description to see these Steam pages we made before. So this is SpaceKraft. This game I started to make 5 years ago and stopped because of some reasons. Then I reconcentrated on this project and hopefully I will release this project in a few months. Please check links in the description and go and download the demo here and add it to your wishlist, guys. So it will support our all future projects and the project we are working on today. So please go there and hit the add to your wishlist. Okay, the next one is Hellcome, which we were working on this project 4 or 5 months with very small team. So this is a multiplayer roguelite shooter kind of game. You're fighting against zombies, collecting experience points and upgrading your character skills and making your own build. Exactly like this screen. So please check links in the description and go there, download these demos and play, and please add these games to your wishlist, because wishlist count is super important for us. It motivates us, extremely important thing for us. So please go there and support this channel and support our team to let us complete our projects and succeed with these projects. So if you like or don't like these games, please go Discord servers and share your opinions about these games, guys. So we are open for all kind of ideas and all kind of feedbacks. So thank you for joining me in this episode. So see you in the next session, hopefully tomorrow, about same hours. Okay, so just hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notification when I go live. See you in the next video. Bye bye, guys. See you.